Hello again everyone. So pag-uusapan ulit natin yung topic natin regarding circles. This is Crisanto Domingo, Head Teacher 3, Pedro Tiurata National High School. Ganito lang yan. So ang topic naman natin ngayon is arc length. Ang formula ay theta or the angle formed by the central angle or the intercepted arc divided by 360 equals L divided by 2 times pi times the radius. Or, pwede natin yung i-simplify. Cross multiplication and then divided by 2 yung both sides of the equation. Kaya magiging L is equal to r theta times the quantity pi over 180. And then, imamanipulate pa natin siya further. It would become L is equal to pi times the radius times the quantity theta divided by 180. So, yung mga terminologies po natin dyan is L is the length of the arc. Theta is the degree measure of the arc. R is the radius. Our pi, of course, is equal to 3.14. So, ito yun. So, itong hin-highlight ko ng red dito is our L. So, yan po yung hahanapin natin. For example, the arc formed by a slice of pizza 6 inches long is equal to 60 degrees. Find the length of the arc. So, ang solution natin, the length of the arc is equal to pi times the radius times the quantity theta divided by 180. So, substitute natin yung values. So, we have pi times 6 times 60 all over 180. So, that would be equal to pi times 6. And 60 over 180 is 1 over 3. So, 6 divided by 3 is 2. Pi times 1 is pi, kaya naging 2 pi na lang. So, 2 times 3.14, so we have 6.28 inches. So, yan yung length ng ating arc. Another example. Find the length of an arc kung yung radius of the arc is 7.5 centimeters long and the central angle is 50 degrees. Again, the measure of the intercepted arc is equal to the measure of the central angle. So, this implies na ang measure ng ating intercepted arc is also 50 degrees. So, again, for our formula, so ipapalit na lang natin si 7.5 kay r, 3.14 kay pi, and then 50 degrees yung theta. So, that would be pi times 7.5 times 50 over 180. So, it's 7.5 pi and 50 over 180 is 5 over 18. So, magiging 7.5 times 5 is 37.5 pi divided by 18. Or simplifying it further, 37.5 times 3.14 divided by 18 is equal to 14.72 centimeters. So, that's it, guys. If you have any queries, you can message me in my Facebook page, Easy Math. Or you can follow my YouTube channel, Crisanto Domingo. Thank you.